In this video, we'll see about exchange. Exchange is the one which routes the message to the queues based on the exchange type. Here in the post-mail analogy, post office is the exchange, which gets the message from the producer and drops the message to the individual home mailbox based on the address written on the post mail. In the AMQP protocol, exchange routes the copy of message to a queue or more than one queue. Routing algorithm decides where to send the message from exchange. Routing algorithms depend on the exchange type and the rules called the bindings. There are 4 types of exchanges. They are direct, fan-out, topic and headers. We will see these exchanges detailedly in the next chapter. Exchange properties. These are the properties an exchange will have. Name. The name denotes the name of this exchange. Type. Direct or fan-out or topic or headers. Next is durability. If this durability is set to durable, then the exchange will survive a broker restart by persisting the exchange to the disk. If this durability is set to transient, then the exchange will not survive a broker restart because this exchange will not be persisted in the disk. Auto delete. If this value is set to yes, then the exchange will delete itself after at least one queue or exchange has been bound to this one, and then all the queues or exchanges have been unbound. Internal. This can take value yes or no, like auto delete. If yes, then the clients can't publish the messages directly to this exchange. It can only be used with exchange to exchange bindings. If this value is set to no, clients can publish message to this exchange directly and we can use this exchange from another exchange also. Arguments. Here you can add the arguments. We can declare the alternate exchange here. We can see more about the alternate exchange in the exchange chapter. Now we will create an exchange. We can create an exchange and define a binding directly from the code or through the UI tool. Here we will create a simple exchange from the user interface. Enter the URL localhost:15672 in the browser. Enter the default username guest and the default password guest. Navigate to the exchanges tab. Go to add a new exchange section. Now enter the exchange name. Here I am entering text exchange. I am keeping this type as direct and durable, auto delete no and internal no. As of now, I am leaving this argument section blank. Click add exchange. Once you click the add exchange, your exchange got created. Now you can see your exchange here. This is our exchange, which is test exchange. Now we can go inside this exchange by clicking here. If you click this exchange, we can add bindings and we can publish message to this exchange from here. And we can even delete this exchange by clicking this delete button. We will see what is binding and messages later in this chapter.